A very big hi to all of you. I hope you have understood this chapter through the prescribed videos. Let's analyze this chapter. Chapter 3, From Gathering to Growing Food. The beginning of agriculture and herding. When people about 5 to 10,000 years ago saw the natural processes of the growth of plants, falling of seeds from fruits, and then sprouting into more plants, they started collecting seeds and protecting them from animals and birds. And this is how people became first farmers. They also started keeping and rearing animals such as dogs, sheep, goats, pigs, etc. This is known as herding. Different plants are grown in different regions and different time periods as per their natural conditions. Similarly, different animals also need different environments to live and grow. Change from nomads to natives. As growing of plants need time, people who started farming began staying in one place for long periods of time. They protected the plants, watered, weeded, and tilled the soil, and ultimately harvested the crops after some months or years. Those crops were then stored for both food and seed in large pots, baskets, and underground pits. We can also think of animals as a store of food because if they are reared properly, they can also give us food, milk, eggs, etc. for a long time. The first farmers and herders. Scientists and archaeologists have found evidence of plants, animal bones, and burned grains in places where the first farmers and animal herders lived. Some of those sites were in the northwest of India, present day Kashmir, and in the east and the south of India. Archaeologists have also found traces of houses, huts, and pit houses, houses dug in the ground in some sites. They found stone tools such as mortars and pestles used to grind grain, which were different than the tools used in the Paleolithic era, the Stone Age period of history. So they named the Neolithic era the New Stone Age period of history. Earthen pots that were used to cook and store food were also found. Other customs and practices. We do not know the exact times when the customs and practices were the first farmers and herders started. But archaeologists have studied the lives of today's farmers and herders who live in groups called tribes. And some archaeologists believe they follow some of the same old customs. Thank you.